National 5 Biology students. Let's do this past paper question together. And on to part C. Two types of blood vessel are arteries and veins. Compare the structure of these two types of blood vessel. So when you're asked to compare the structure of two types of blood vessel, there are three main components that you have to consider. The first one is the wall of the blood vessel. The second one are the valves, either the presence or absence of valves. And the third one is the diameter of the channel. Okay, so if you can remember those three, that will help you to structure your answer so that you can do this properly. Now, because this is a compare question, that means that we have to say what both of them have in terms of each of these features, okay? So we have to say, for example, that the artery has a thick and muscular wall. And because it's a compare question, we have to say, whereas the vein has a thinner and less muscular wall. Okay, so that's the wall. For the valves, the artery has no valves, whereas the vein does. Okay, or you could say the artery the valves are absent in the artery and the valves are present in the vein. Okay, either of them would be acceptable. In terms of the channel in the artery is narrow. Okay, whereas for the vein it is much wider. Okay, so something along those lines would get you the mark for this kind of question, and that's worth 3 marks. So that's a relatively straightforward 3 marks to get to. Okay, so the key thing is walls, valves, channel, and that we talk about a comparison. So artery has, whereas vein has. Artery has, whereas the vein. Artery has, or artery narrow, whereas the vein is wider, etc. Okay folks, hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.